On the home page, click Home Health Hospice to sign in. Then click Sign In. Enter your email address and password that was used during registration. If you haven't yet registered, click Register next to sign in. If you don't have your customer code handy, simply call or email. Once you've logged in, go to My Account to manage your shopping lists. This is also where you can change your password or email address. If you've made any purchases with us, you'll already have a buying history list. With your list selected, click Submit, and you can view the contents of that list. From there, you can easily add items to the shopping cart. In the upper left, you can see that we are now viewing the shopping cart. From there, you can click Checkout to complete the transaction. If you'd like to clear the shopping cart, you can check Remove Items and then update the cart. Now the shopping cart is empty. From there, you can shop more to return to the catalog. Notice the page has returned us to our last active shopping list. You can then go to a category and then subcategory. Once the list of items loads, you'll see a unit of measure column. The next column is where you enter the quantity. Notice in the description the amount per box or case. If the unit of measure option isn't available, simply enter the corresponding amount. Since case is not available for this item in this drop-down menu, you can just enter 10 with boxes selected to order a case. We'll do the same thing with the next item, noticing in the description that there are 10 boxes in a case, and we will enter the quantity of 10 so that we'll have a case on the way. When you reach the bottom of the visible section, be sure to scroll down with your outside vertical scroll bar to see your options at the bottom. You can add the items to an existing list or create a new list. We'll go with monthly orders in this example. On the next page, you can see that we have created a list and added the items to that list. This is where you would arrive if you go straight to a list under My Account after logging in. From here, you can change the quantity and add all or part of a list to your shopping cart. This is very convenient if you have regular orders with multiple items in your list. That way you won't have to browse the catalog each time you add to the list, and can simply open your list and add the items directly to your cart. Let's first add more items to our monthly orders list. Let's say we need a lot of scrub brushes. Let's order 2 cases, and since there are 10 boxes in a case, we will enter 20 with the unit of measure as box, so that we will be getting 2 cases. Then we can add the item to our monthly orders list. Since the list has already been created, it is available in the drop-down menu of lists. Submit, and now we can see the scrub brushes added to the list along with the 2 types of gloves we added earlier. If you would like to only add some of the items from your list to your shopping cart, you can simply check the boxes next to that item and then update the list. On the next page, you can see the shopping cart. If the total is way off, you may have selected the wrong unit of measure. From there, you can check out, and here we are at the checkout page. Select the shipping method, which currently is only UPS. Previously used addresses are available in the drop-down menu, which will populate in the fields to the right once selected, or you can select the top option, Freeform Address, and enter the shipping name and address manually. Enter any comments pertaining to your order here in this comments field. And in the payment section, you can then select invoice or pay by credit card. For PO number, which stands for purchase order, you can simply enter your company's name. Then click Checkout, and you can review your order on the next page. Once submitted, your order is complete, and you will be receiving an email confirmation shortly.